Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are fine. Guys, today I am going to show about this trending reel which is going viral on Instagram. So if you want to follow this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, first you need VN application to make this video, and first install this application and open it. VN application easy to find on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 5 photos to make this video, and to import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 5 photos of yourself from your phone library. Okay, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay guys, you have to take 5 photos like this, and first delete the VN default clip from here. Okay, now you have to click on the drop down option and select the ratio of 9.16 to increase your video quality. Now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given in the description. You have to download reel video. After that, we will extract the music from that reel. So guys, to extract the reel, click on the plus icon, click the music option. Now you have to click the plus option and have to extract from video option. Now guys, select that reel which you have downloaded from my Telegram channel. Okay, now you have to click on the OK option and then click the choose option. Now have to click the done from here, and in this way music will be added. Now guys, you have to trim your photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, and after that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you. Okay. So guys, you have seen how to trim the photos, and now note the photos duration. So first photo duration you will keep 5.10 second, and second photo duration is 0.98 second, and third is 1.37 second, fourth is 1.67 second, and last is 1.9 second. So guys, you have to keep the durations like this. And now we will add the text on your photos. So guys, to add the text, click on the plus icon and click the text option and input the title on here, which is I am single. Okay, and then have to done from here. Now guys, increase this timeline till the end like this. Now you have to split this timeline from here, and again one split from, click the timeline and split from here. Guys, split the timeline from this joint. Okay, click on this timeline and split from here and come to the second joint, and again click on this timeline and split from here. Again come to the joint and click on here, split from here. Again come to the joint, click on here, split from here. Okay, now guys, come to the second text timeline and have to click the edit option and remove this first text and tap here second text, which is Y. Okay, and have to done from here. Now come to the third text timeline and have to edit from here, remove this text and type here third text, which is because, and have to done from here. Now click the next timeline, edit from here and remove this text and type here no one. Okay, and done from here. Again come to the next timeline, click on there and edit from here, remove this text and type here compares. Okay, and have to done from here. Then click on the next timeline and edit from here, remove this text and type here you stand. Okay, and have to done from here. Now have to click on the last timeline and have to edit from here. Remove this text and type here last text is alone. Okay, now guys, you can select the fonts from here and select the fonts according to you. Okay, then guys, you have to click on the apply to all option and this text applied in the all text. Okay, and guys, you can select the text color also. So if you want to change the text color, click on the again edit option and here you will get color grading option. Click on there and select the color according to your choice. So guys, I like white color, so I wouldn't change, but if you want to change the color, so you can change. Then click the apply to all option and color will be applied to all text. Okay, now guys, you can adjust your text anywhere according to you. You can increase the text like this. Now guys, you have to adjust your first 3 text. So click on the second text timeline. Okay, and adjust it like this. Okay, you have to keep first timeline till the end of first photo. Okay, now have to second timeline will keep like this. Okay, you can see, and click on the third text timeline and will keep like this. Okay, now you have to adjust these text. Okay guys, in this way you have to trim and adjust your text. Hope you understand. Now you can save this video. Click on the export option from right hand corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want viral reels editing videos. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.